I had became a teen mom at 17. I was in high school. Things were going to get well at first, and I thought I could do it. But with the help of being a single mother, I couldn't get through school. I tried the best that I could, and I made the difficult decision to drop out of high school before my 12th grade year. As time went on, I was a teen mom, 17, 19, and by 24, I was a mother of 5. I had jobs over the years. They didn't make ends meet for us. We struggled a lot. We had to move around, constantly move around and move around. I went to apply for Methodist Hospital, and they ran my background, all my credentials, and everything was good. And they asked for the diploma. When they ran my diploma, they said that I didn't have a diploma. That was a detour for my life. Then something popped in my head saying, I need better. A family friend of mine, I seen her page, and I seen her with her cap and gown on, and she informed me that she just graduated from the Excel Center. So I went and got the information. It was the best thing that I ever could do. When I got in there, the atmosphere itself was just loving. The people greeted you, from the staff, the students, and I graduated with a GPA 3.4 and 45 years old with my honors cord. One thing I admire is childcare. That was a barrier for me when I was in school. They even in contact with me after graduation. That's one of the perks of a student being here. You have a lifetime friend and family. I'm now enrolled at Southwest, majoring in criminal justice. I will see my associate degree first and then on to my master's. And that's my goal, to receive my master's.